this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. In the yesterday's class, we have discussed about dynamic memory allocations. Okay, we have discussed only the first one, right? Malloc. And today we are going to discuss the second one. And if time permits, we can go for third also. Let's see what happens. Okay, now let me let me go to second one. What is the second one? It is Alloc, right? So in Alloc, what is meaning of Alloc? C stands for contiguous, means continuous memory, and alloc means you have already known that it is a short form of allocation. Okay, totally alloc means contiguous allocation. Okay, this is the main just the full form of alloc. You can consider it as a full form, right? Okay, then what is the definition? We are going to see definition now. In definition, see, we are having it allocates memory for an array of elements and initializes all bytes to 0. Let me break it down and explain. See, first we are having it allocates memory for an array of elements, which means, see, this alloc will allocate memory in the let me explain by drawing. Okay, let me take some other color. Yeah, let me take this. And now, see, we are having this memory in the compiler, right? So in this, it allocates memory for an array of elements, means we know how the allocation of array will be done. It will be done contiguous, like, right? It will be done continuously, means the memory addresses will be like sequential manner. They will be in sequential manner. Here also, the memory will be allocated contiguously, means the addresses will be like in a sequential manner. Like, for example, I am giving 1, 2, 3, but the addresses won't be integers, right? Integers, alphabet, they won't be like that. They will be in hexadecimal form. I have shown you already by executing a program also. Now, and we have completed up to here, right? This part we have completed the explanation. And initializes all bytes to 0 means, see, here all the bytes will be initialized to 0 because why means we are not at all having any value, right? We are not having any value for that for that variables in array. So instead of giving it some garbage value, they are initializing all these variables to 0, right? It is better than printing some garbage value, right? So it is initializing all bytes to 0. And then in next line we are having let me erase these, it looks weird, right? Yeah. Now in the next line we are having this function takes 2 arguments, means, see, this function will be taking 2 arguments. See, in this malloc, it is just taking one argument, right? 10 into size of int is single parameter or argument. But in this alloc takes 2 arguments. You have to remember it. C will be taking 2, right? And what are those 2 arguments? Those 2 arguments are the number of elements and the size of each element. Okay, here just we are giving the size, okay, giving the number of bytes, but here we are giving the number of elements and we are giving size of one element. Okay, in array all the elements will be of same type, right? so we are just giving size of one element. Okay, that's all, and we are having some example also. Let me execute this example. Let me go here. Yes, I have to edit a bit, so okay. Yes, now I have edited, and now let's see the program. And first let me run it. If it is executed, no, we are just having some errors. Okay, we didn't close main function, right? Yes. Now let me run it. Yes, I'm getting the output. See, now the output is the output is something like this, which is an address. Okay, which is the value of ptr. Okay. Yes, and now let me explain this code. See, first of all, we are having these three lines which are common in every program. Not common, but this line is not common. But in the last class I have said that this line should be written when we are importing that standard libraries, right? Here calloc is standard library, right? So for that we are including this line stdlib.h. Okay, so and after that, see here, int star ptr, we are creating pointer variable, and this is the syntax of calloc. In the braces, int is the data type, right? And star should be present, which is our syntax, and after that we have to write calloc. This is a function, right? Just function call. Okay, calloc, and in this we are having two parameters or arguments, right? So now we are writing those where 10 is what 10 is. 10 is a size, right? Means the number of elements, and this is the size of integer, right? Yes. Then after that, if ptr equals to null, here we are declaring, here we are allocating memory by this line, but we should know whether the memory is allocated or not, right? So to check that, here if ptr equals to null, if the memory is not allocated, then memory is not allocated, else we are printing the pointer, right? And that's all. Okay, and that's all for today. Let me discuss realloc in next class. Okay, so this is all for today. If you like today's session, like the video and comment down your thoughts, and if you have any queries, you can email to the given email in the description box, and if you have any doubts, you can comment me as well. I'll be replying to each and every comment as soon as I see. So okay, that's all for today. If you like my channel, you can do subscribe, and you can share with your friends, as it is a new channel. It needs some encouragement, and it needs some okay, it needs some encouragement. So for that your support is needed. So thank you. This is all for today.